Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Skyline, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's localize those options, so the phone ringtone for the first and second SIM card. As you can see, you can divide them and set totally different ringtone for the first one and different for another one. So let me show it to you how to do it using the first one. It does not really matter. Simply tap on the option, and here we've got pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option None, which means that your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And here at the bottom, on the other hand, we've got Add Ringtone, so we can enter our internal storage, and if you've got something, for example, downloaded or recorded, it should appear somewhere here or in other folders, and you will be able to set it as a ringtone. But let me go back, and basically if you will decide that you want to choose something from the default option, simply tap on it to listen whether you like it or not. So for example this one, and of course I cannot hear it at all. All right, we've got it. So this is how it works. Just tap on it and listen whether you like. And after deciding, for example, let me choose those gentle bells, make sure that it is marked and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.